Namaste, welcome back to the new video of mine. So today's video, it is going to be a total challenge video because I'm going to rub 7-day straight ice cube on my face, and I've seen this using many YouTubers and I thought ki let's give it a try and if it actually works or not, because there are lots of pros, cons and myths about using ice cube directly on the face. So I'm going to show that if it actually works or not, and that is also for the 7 days. So you have to watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before applying the ice cube, make sure that you have washed your face with clear water, and then you can apply any of the toner you have or serum on your face like this. Then please, not more than 20 seconds you have to rub the ice cube on your face. Start. So I have applied, let it dry naturally, and tomorrow I'll come with a day 2 and I'll talk the pros and cons of using ice cube on the face. So this is the day 2 of ice cubing on my face, and right now I have nothing in my face, just a toner, and there is a glow you can see, but I don't know if it's just because of the ice cube, because it's just a 1 day, and I'm going to give the feedback on the 7th day. So now let's apply the ice cubes. Yesterday I was feeling difficulties holding the ice cube, so today I have make in this stick, as you can see. And the rule is always the same, that you have to apply this only 20 seconds on your face like this. And the benefits of using ice cube on the face are, it closes the open pores and it also increases the absorption of product that we use in a daily basis. In a circular motion you have to apply this, only 20 seconds, not more than that. Keep it in mind. It also reduces the oiliness from the face and also the swelling, inflammation and redness, and it also reduces the sign of aging like wrinkles. And as you can see, the tip of the stick is coming out, so please be aware with this. And the disadvantages are, one main side effect while using ice cube directly on the skin is that it might cause delicate skin capillaries to break. But if we wrap the ice cube in a thin cloth, especially the cotton one, we can completely avoid it. That's why we shouldn't rub more than 20 seconds ice cube on our face, as it can burn the skin, especially the sensitive one. In case most of the people don't feel comfortable applying the ice cube on the face directly, so in that case you can take a hanky, especially the cotton one, and put the 2-3 ice cubes. You can take one also. So this is how it turned out. Now you can apply this whole over the face in a circular motion as instructed before. So this is the best way you can protect your skin from getting burned from the ice cube. So today is the 5th day. As you can see, the texture of my skin, it's quite visible, it's clear, and it also treated my dark circles, puffiness under the eyes, and also reducing the eye bag that I used to have. So here the skin is improving day by day. There is a glow and radiant in the skin, and it also soothes the sunburn also, or suntan. So today is the last day of applying ice cube on my face, and so far now I don't have seen any bad effects of using it. Rather, I found my skin looks more glowy, radiant, as you can see, and there are pores which are not visible anymore, and skin is also tight. Yes, so for the last time I'm going to use it again. 5 here, 5 here, here, and That's it. You also can try this hack, but make sure that once a day you have to use, and only for 20 seconds you have to rub it on your face, not more than that, strictly. So that's it for today, and I hope you like today's video. If you do, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.